this video, we will be discussing calculating area. We will be focusing on area applications in the real world. By the end of this video, you will be able to apply your understanding of area to real world situations. So here we have a problem. It says a patio is being landscaped with trees and shrubs. It will cost $55 a square foot for the landscaping. How much should be budgeted for the landscaping? So first thing we need to do is we need to figure out the area being landscaped. So this is just like finding the area of a composite figure. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of one of these larger rectangles. And I know that it's a rectangle, so my area is base times height. So in this case, my area is 14 feet is my base, multiplied by 8 feet is my height. So that gives me an area of 112. And so this would be 112 feet squared for this little section right here. The second thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of this patio right here. Well, I know that if this section right here, from here to here, is 3 feet, that would leave me 11 feet right here, because I know that a total side is 14 feet, and I subtract my 3 feet from it, that gives me 11 left. And then I also know that if I've got 3 feet here and my total side is 8 feet, that's going to leave me with 5 feet here. So now to find my area of this section here, I'm going to take area equals base times height. So area equals my base is 11 multiplied by my height is 5. And so my area is 55. And again, I'm dealing with feet. So this would be 55 feet squared. So I know my area of this rectangle here is 112 feet squared. I know that my area of the patio, or this rectangle here, is 55 feet squared. Well, I'm not going to pay and do anything for this part, so I am only looking for the landscaping section, which is this part right here. So that means I'm going to take my 112 feet squared, and I'm going to take away my 55 feet squared, and that's going to leave me a total of 57 feet squared for this landscaping part right here. But if you notice, there are 2 of them. So that means now I need to take my 57 feet squared, and I have to double that, and that's going to give me a total of 114 feet squared. So that's giving me the area here and the area here. Last piece here is that it says it costs me $55 a square foot for landscaping. So that means I need to take my 114 and multiply it by 55, and that gives me a total of $6,270. So how much should be budgeted for the landscaping? A minimum of $6,270.